Welcome to Mastravel24's exclusive Vancouver City Tour, a seamless blend of culture, history, and natural beauty, crafted for your comfort and curiosity. Let's embark on a journey through Vancouver's must-see landmarks and hidden gems, all in one memorable day. Mastravel24 Adventure is proud to be licensed by Consumer Protection BC, license number 87974. Ensuring your travel experience is safe and reliable. Canada Place. Our adventure begins at Canada Place, an iconic symbol of Vancouver. Here, you can admire the unique sail-like architecture and soak in sweeping views of Burrard Inlet and the majestic mountains beyond. It's the perfect starting point to connect with the city's vibrant energy. Gastown. Next, we step back in time with a walking tour of Gastown, Vancouver's historic heart. Wander the cobblestone streets, marvel at the famous steam clock, and hear the fascinating tales of how this charming neighborhood came to life. From art galleries to unique boutiques, Gastown is brimming with stories waiting to be discovered. Chinatown. Back in the car, we journey to Chinatown, one of North America's largest. Drive past the ornate Millennium Gate and the serene Dr. Sun Yat-sen classical Chinese garden. This vibrant neighborhood tells the story of resilience, culture, and culinary wonders. Stanley Park. Now, we escape to Stanley Park, a sprawling urban oasis nestled in the heart of the city. As we drive through its lush greenery, we'll stop at the totem poles at Brockton Point to appreciate the artistry and heritage of Vancouver's Indigenous peoples. At Prospect Point, take in panoramic views of Lions Gate Bridge and Burrard Inlet, truly a sight to remember. Granville Island. Our final stop is Granville Island, where art, culture, and gastronomy converge. Take your time to explore the bustling public market, showcasing local flavors and crafts. Stroll through unique galleries and enjoy a taste of Vancouver's creative spirit. It's the perfect place to unwind before concluding our journey. As an added adventure, you have the option to experience one of Vancouver's famous suspension bridges. The Capilano Suspension Bridge is a must-see for thrill-seekers and nature lovers alike. Stroll 230 feet above the Capilano River, surrounded by lush rainforests and breathtaking views. Admission tickets can be purchased on-site, and we'll provide a convenient drop-off and pick-up for your visit. If you prefer a quieter option, the Lynn Canyon Suspension Bridge offers an equally stunning experience, free of charge, with serene walking trails through the park. Whichever you choose, the Suspension Bridge adventure is sure to add a memorable highlight to your Vancouver tour. If you're interested in this personalized Vancouver City tour, simply text 236-777-6679 or email us at mastravel24@gmail.com to book your adventure today. Thank you for considering Mastravel24 Adventure, where your journey begins and memories last a lifetime. We can't wait to share Vancouver with you